Hello and welcome to Mania. My name is Neville. Today we're going to be making a project that's been requested by my friend Shaquille. Shaquille is also known as the African Angler. You can find the African Angler on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. If you want, you can also look in the description to this video and you'll find the links there. Instead of using the CNC machine, today we're going to use the CO2 laser. It's going to be a nice, quick, easy job, and he's going to have to wait till my next trip to South Africa so that I can take the item to him. It's quite a cool little project, so keep watching and see what I make for him. Okay, so here we go. We have the pieces cut now. The laser's done an awesome job of cutting these out. So now it's just a case of sorting these and figuring out which piece goes where. Okay, so let's start doing the little puzzle. Okay, so start off with the center. Pop in the piece that's going to hold all the sides together. And then look for the next one, which would be that, and then find another piece which is most likely that one, flip it over, get the next one, and then this piece over here. Okay, so basically you can see what we've done here. We've got that piece that slid in between all those, holding them together. Okay, and you can see everything's starting to line up quite nicely. Okay, so here we go. Let's find some more pieces. So right. Okay, so that piece will go on there, and then we have the foot that's gonna go on there, right, and then yeah, that's right, it'll be that one, and then it'll be the next foot going on there. Okay, so that's pretty much that. Then this piece here will cover that. Okay, so that's basically the little guy's wing. Take the lower piece first and slide that through, so that'll now clip all those together. Alright, turn it around. This here will cover that, so stick that onto there. And then take this one and we slide that through there. Right, so there he is, he's looking good. Now all we have to do is just take the back and put his little tail in. That clips in nicely. Actually, I should have put the feet on first. You can do it either way, but it just makes sense to put the feet on first and then put the tail on, because it's just a lot easier that way. Right. Okay, so I hope you guys could see that. I hope I was holding it in front of the camera nicely. But yeah, so there he is. It's a little 3D penguin. You can cut out of 3mm MDF, and he is ready to go to the African angler in South Africa, which is my friend Shaquille. You can find them on YouTube, you can find them on Facebook, and you can find them on Instagram, all as the African Angler. I hope you liked this video. Click like, subscribe, share it, click the bell. Please come back and watch the next one. Thank you. Bye.